Greetings, esteemed viewers. Welcome to Tara Nawa's channel, your gateway to a world of limitless possibilities. Today we have an exciting opportunity from our esteemed client, Rosh Pinah Zinc, a leading mining company. They're on the lookout for a supervisor in trackless equipment maintenance. This is an opportunity you won't want to miss, so apply right away. For a comprehensive look at this opportunity and a hassle-free application process via our user-friendly platform at jobopportunities.net, simply click the link provided in the video description below. Stay tuned for more captivating content right here on Tara Nawa's channel. And don't forget to keep an eye out for thrilling updates from Helia. Hello, valued viewers. Welcome to our platform, your passport to nurturing your professional aspirations, all in one convenient place. Are you on the lookout for thrilling job prospects? Look no further, we have everything you require. Whether you seek expert guidance for crafting an impressive CV or aim to refine your interview skills, we've got you covered. And if you're in need of a dose of motivation, our extensive collection of inspiring content awaits. To stay informed about the latest job openings and gain access to invaluable career advice, we kindly request your support through likes, shares, and subscriptions to our channel. By sharing our content with your network, you're also assisting your friends in pursuing their career objectives. Sending warm wishes and positive energy from our delightful town, Swakopmund. Keep in mind that we're here to offer unwavering support every step of the way. Until we meet again, take excellent care,